What's up, guys? This is John from Jalen Winnington out here in San Jose, California, bringing you a CX5 today. We went ahead and did the 5% for the front two windows. Wanted to touch real quick on the front two windows. We went a little darker than normal. Most people tend to go 35 or maybe even 20, but this person went at 5%. All this right here that you see is moisture. That normally clears up within maybe 2 to 3 days, depending on the weather. Right now it is kind of gloomy, so it might take a little longer. And then for the rears, we went ahead and did 20% on top of the factory. Factory typically is about 20%, give or take, depending on the make. The car's closed. But yeah, just want to show you guys. This is a good angle right here. As you guys can see, the front and back look very, very similar. If you wanted to have similarity but really dark, if you go ahead and add 20 to the back, it makes it a 5%. So there you guys have it. It's very, very close. This person wanted really dark because they wanted to have some more privacy, especially for the rear. I know people want that, especially when they're shopping. They don't want people to look in and see if they have bags and stuff like that, and might want to break in. So this is definitely the shade to go. 5% all the way around. I do not recommend that for the front two windows though. Depending on where you live, as far as the city goes, it is pretty dark and you might get pulled over. Let's see if I can unlock the vehicle so I can show you guys from the inside. You guys have it. You see that similarity from the front to the rears. Show you the rears as well. Visibility during the day is perfect. During the night, it does tend to get a little darker, especially if you're turning into a street that's pretty dark, not really lighting. That's where you got to be careful. That's why I don't really recommend 5% for the front two windows. But if you're used to it and if you're cautious enough, you can go ahead and do that. We also did the front windshield strip for this one as well. There you guys have it, a quick walk around. I know it's always good to trying to get as much videos as I can for this year to show you the different shades and different cars as well. Thank you guys for subscribing as well. I will try to do as much as I can this year to have more videos out there. All right, thanks guys.